How about this magnificent LG refrigerator freezer with a front glass door for getting drinks? Stainless steel. Oh, so pretty, and it does so much. The refrigerator comes in various finishes from stainless steel to matte finish. Along with the see-through beverage doors, it has a complete ice and water center for chopped ice, shredded ice, you name it, cold water on demand. It's a great system. It's a triple handle French door refrigerator. 2 handles for the upper area and lower area. Has 1 drawer. Drawer is well designed, well organized, easy to get your frozen foods for a fantastic refrigerator freezer.